Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LIYVZ 3-watt solar panel for trail camera DC 6/12 volts. There are features include: upon this solar panel with battery, 6.5 x 4.5 inch, you could buy a trail camera without battery but with great quality. Designed for DC 6V and DC 12V trail camera, this 3-watt solar panel comes 2 ports of DC 6V and DC 12V for different trail cameras, Oregon game cameras. Strong and continuous energy supply. 5000 mAh large battery pack in this solar panel ensures continuous power supply to your trail camera, even on cloudy or rainy days. IP66 waterproof and 360 degrees adjustable, designed for outdoor use. IP66 waterproof, withstand rain and snow, 360 degrees rotation vision, to capture sunlight, suitable for use in various environments. 3-watt trail camera solar panel with built-in battery for DC 6V DC 12V game cameras. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.